Now, student, in this video we will learn about water heater. And now, first of all, we can place water heater here. So for importing water heater, we use this mechanical equipment. So select this mechanical equipment, then again select load family. So select US Imperial. Similarly, we will select this plumbing option, and then select MEP. Then this select equipment. These are different connector, pipe connectors. And now here you see these are water heater, so I can select this water heater here, and now place this water heater in top of roof at level 3. So and then we will select this water heater and then edit this water heater. So here you see this is inlet of water heater, and now here we select cold water is in through here, and now this is outlet of heater. So hot water is out from this is for duct, and now this is for electrical connection. So we will load this water heater into the project, and similarly here you see this is size of water heater. So now we will select this edit, and now we will select size of water heater approximately 100 gallon. So now and then select OK. So this is the size of water. We will change the water heater.